Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Kalpitiya is famous for dolphin watching. Kalpitiya is located on the west coast of Sri Lanka and is about 168 kilometers away from Colombo, the capital of Sri Lanka. The best time to see the dolphins is from mid-October to May. The dolphin watching starts early in the morning between 6 to 7 a.m. The boat that we took started from the Kudawa beach, and we took the boat out to the sea for about 15 to 20 minutes until you suddenly get to an area where all other boats are. The fishermen in Kalpitiya somehow just know where to find the dolphins. And as you approach, you see hundreds of dolphins swimming by, sometimes alongside or under your boat, or even jumping and spinning. Fun fact, spinner dolphins are the most common dolphins that you can see. Other dolphins such as bottlenose, spotted, striped, humpback can also be seen out here. I've never seen dolphins in their natural habitat, let alone this many dolphins all at once. It is truly an unforgettable experience. But at the same time, whenever I get close to other animals, not just dolphins but in general, I try to think about whether my actions or activities could disturb the animals. In my view, three main things could disturb the dolphins. First one is chasing after the dolphins with a boat. And second one is the engine sound. And third, the water and air pollution caused by the boat fuel. With respect to the first concern, when you're going out to the sea to watch the dolphins, it is a bit inevitable that you chase after them. But there are different degrees to this, and I think even when you are chasing after them, you can keep a safe distance from the dolphins. Once you find yourself in an area where the dolphins are concentrated, you stop the boat and observe from where you are. This also reduces the second concern, the engine sound. There are operators who are conscious of such issues and try to be as respectful as possible while at the same time enjoying these magnificent animals. Lastly, I've seen some boats emit toxic air pollutants and also leave a band of oil in the water. The boat that I took didn't have this problem, but I witnessed this from my experience with other boat trips for different activities. Some of the local people have told that it is because sometimes kerosene, which is the cheapest fuel found in Sri Lanka, is used. This problem is more delicate because it is related to the affordability of cleaner fuel, the economic situation, fuel supply, and energy policies in the country. So a more long-term solution is needed for this, and I hope all the operators gradually switch to cleaner fuels, electric motors, and so on. Overall, do I recommend the dolphin watching in Kalpitiya? Absolutely. It is a very special experience and it helps you appreciate more these beautiful creatures and the marine life.